comes to hummus dip, you want your hummus to be smooth, creamy, and rich. So welcome to Let's Cook It everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make hummus dip. So to begin, I'm gonna put the chickpeas in, and this is a store-bought chickpeas, and of course was washed and rinsed. Make sure the water cover about 2 inches on the top. We're gonna boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, waiting for the water to boil, we're going to pan roast the garlic. And why we're doing this, because we're trying to keep the garlic flavor in the hummus, but we're going to get rid of the strong, sharp garlic taste, so you don't have to worry about 24 hours garlic bread. So, a little bit olive oil, stove on a medium-low heat. So we're not going to caramelize the garlic, we just want to pan roast the garlic for about 1 minute, both sides on a low heat, or until they are fork tender and the garlic ready to go. Plus, when you roast the garlic, the hummus lasts longer in your fridge. And you're probably asking why I have the tahini, which is a sesame paste, upside down. Always when you buy the tahini from the store, store it upside down so you don't end it up with a thick cement block in the bottom. Now, let's see how's our hummus doing here. Making hummus with a chickpea skin on, nothing wrong with that, but it's much better without it, and that's when your hummus become more creamy and rich. So we're gonna try to take out as many chickpea skin as possible. So 10 to 15 minutes until the chickpeas, they are super mushy, like this one here. Now let's cool it down under a tap water, and you can see the skin still floating and coming out. Oh boy, that's how much chickpea skin we get out, and that makes big difference in hummus. Now let's put everything on the side and food processor, and let's start making our hummus. Start with the chickpeas. Pan roasted garlic in, a little bit of olive oil, salt, cumin, fresh squeeze lemon juice, a tiny bit sriracha sauce, tahini or sesame paste, and I'm gonna start with a 1/4 cup ice water. Make sure ice water, don't put ice cube in here in the food processor, because the blade is not made to crush ice. So now let's start the hummus. So after 1.5 to 2 minutes, give it a little scrub on the side. And the reason why we put ice water and lemon juice, it brighten up the color of the hummus. So let's finish it up with another minute. You can see the color is super bright. So before you finish it up, give it a quick taste, just in case you need some salt or lemon, but this one is good to go. And we're talking about smooth. Look at this. And always better to refrigerate the hummus about half an hour before you serve it, but I'm serving it right away now just to show you how creamy and how smooth it is. Little drizzle of olive oil. Now you can use paprika, but I'm using some sumac seasoning. A few parsley in the middle, and a few chickpeas won't hurt. And now your choice to eat it with some vegetable or pita bread. Super smooth, creamy, rich, so the best hummus you will ever make at home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.